Now, the next area that many members have mentioned is the adequacy of the benefit system. And disabled people, even before the pandemic, were struggling to survive. And as the member for Newport West raised, the number of disabled people living in poverty has risen by over 1 million since 2010. And according to new analysis from the New Economics Foundation, single parents, pensioners and families with one or more disabled person are more likely to be the hardest hit by the rise in energy bills. And as an honourable member for Sinnon Valley said, people are worried that this green paper could be the start of a cost-cutting exercise. So the government must show that it isn't. And the honourable member for Bolton South East articulated the problems and unfairness when people were moved away from DLA to PIP. And House of Commons Library statistics show that 1.5 million disabled people who were previously in receipt of DLA and have been reassessed for PIP, nearly half of them have seen their entitlement either reduced or disallowed completely. And whilst the government might attempt to claim this is positive, the high levels of mandatory reconsiderations and appeals sadly tells another story. We have a system that all too often places disabled people in extreme financial hardship. So we know the DWP has data on this. The NatSem research they commissioned on the adequacy of benefits, and the Prime Minister committed to its release. So what's the delay? Or is this something else he's forgot?